Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the units such as units of measurement like coordinates and decimals on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option, and here tap on the third one, units. Here you can select the coordinate type, which is now set to decimal, but you have other options as you can see, so just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose. Now go back by tapping on this arrow icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select datum, units and distance. So if you are done with adding all this information, you can go back to the previous page, and now these information have been saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.